Example for 32. Find the maxima and minima of the function fxy is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. See, this is a function of both the variables x and y. So it is the case of function of two variables. So for finding maxima and minima, we need to find fx, xy and fy and equate them to 0 to evaluate the values of x and y. So we will get some points. इसका मतलब f को fxy को with respect to x partially differentiate करना होगा. So after differentiation it will be 3x square minus 3 because y cube का 0 हो गया, यहाँ से minus 3 आ गया, rest 2 का differentiation 0. अब इसको equal to 0 करेंगे तो यहाँ से तुम्हें मिलेगा x square is equal to 1. It means the values of x are plus minus 1. Similarly for fxy we will differentiate it partially with respect to y. So इसका differentiation 0, इसका differentiation 3y square, this is your, इसका differentiation 0, now minus 12y is your minus 12, equate to 0, then you will get y square is equal to 4, it means y is your plus minus 2. So the 4 points will be plus 1, plus 2, plus 1, minus 2, minus 1, plus 2, minus 1, minus 2. These are the 4 points, 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 2 and minus 1, minus 2. Now इसके बाद हमें क्या करना हो, r निकालना. R means differentiate this fx once again with respect to x partially. So fxx will be 3 to the 6x and differentiate this one with respect to x partially. So fxy will be 0 because there is no x here. Similarly fyx will be 0 and fyy means differentiate this fy with respect to y partially once again. So it will be 6y minus 0. So it is 6y. So we get r is equal to 6x, s is equal to 6y and t is equal to 0. So now we will evaluate the values at various points. So suppose at 1, 2, fxx is equal to 6, which is greater than 0. क्योंकि fxx था हमारा 6x. At x is equal to 1, it will be 6, greater than 0. And fxx, fyy minus fxy whole square, it will be 6 into fy क्या था हमारा, fy also 6 था. Let me see, fyy is your 6. So it is also your 6. It means, so this will be your 72 greater than 0 because fxy is 0. So value of this is your 72, which is greater than 0. So 1, 2 is a point of minima of the function. It means, see, this is greater than 0 and fxx is greater than 0. So this is your, this gives your minima at 1, 2. Next we will check at minus 1, 2. So fxx will be minus 6 and fxx fyy minus fxy whole square is minus 72, which is less than 0. So the function now has not maxima and not minima. Means the function has neither a maximum nor a minima at minus 1, 2. It should be greater than 0, but since it is negative, so the function will have neither maxima nor minima. Now check at 1, minus 2. fxx is your 6. fxx fyy minus fxy whole square is your minus 72. So it is less than 0. It means again the function is neither having maxima or not having minima at this point, my 1, minus 2. Next we will have the last point, minus 1, minus 2. So fxx is your minus 6 and fxx fyy minus fxy whole square is your 72, which is greater than 0, and fxx is your negative. So the function will have a maxima at this point, minus 1, minus 2. So we solve the problem. Stationary points like minus 1, 2 and 1, minus 2, which are not extreme points, means at these points we have neither maxima nor minima. They are called the saddle points, because this is your less than 0. This comes out to be less than 0 in both the cases. Next example, example 33. कोई क्वेश्चन है किसी को पूछने का है? कोई प्रॉब्लम किसी को नहीं समझ में आ रही है, पूछना है तो बोलो मुझे। एग्जाम में इसी टाइप का प्रॉब्लम आएगा तुम्हें करने के लिए, इसलिए कोई क्वेश्चन है तो अभी पूछ लो। इसके बाद एक और एग्जांपल हम लोग देखते हैं। शो दैट द फंक्शन f(x(y) is equal to 2x to the power 4 minus 3x square y plus y square has neither a maximum nor a minimum at 0, 0, where f(x(x) fy minus f(xy) whole square is equal to 0. देखा जाए, first we will differentiate this partially with respect to x and partially with respect to y. So fx will be your 2 4 is 8, 8x cube minus 3 to 6xy, and fy will be your minus 3x square plus 2y. So equate them to 0. Now we need to check it at 0, 0. The point is given. So fx 0, 0 will be 0 and fy 0, 0 will be 0. Also differentiate it once again with respect to x. So fxx xy will be your, यानी कि इसको एक बार और डिफरेंशिएट करो पार्शियली, तो ये हो जाएगा 24x square minus 6y. It will be 0 at 0, 0, and this will be your differentiate partially with respect to y. So it is your 2 at 0, 0, और इसको differentiate करो partially with respect to x. So it is minus 6x. It means it is again 0 at 0, 0. Thus at 0, 0, fxx 0, 0, fyy 0, 0 minus fxy 0, 0 whole square is equal to 0. तो ये हमारा आ गया, it is your 0, hence it is a doubtful case, and therefore we need to look for further investigation. Again, fxy is given as x square minus y to x square minus y. See this function fxy, it can be written as x square minus y into 2x square minus y. When you multiply these two, you will get the same function fxy, and therefore f0, 0 is your 0. Now fxy minus f0, 0 will be x square minus y to x square minus y minus 0. So it is greater than 0 for y less than 0. अगर y less than 0 है, देखो y less than 0 है, so this will be positive, this will be positive, this 2x square is positive, this x square is positive, so whole will be greater than 0. Or x square is greater than y. Suppose x square is greater than y, so this will be positive, this will also be positive. So it is again positive for x square greater than y. And if y is greater than 0 also, then this will be your greater than 0. And this will be less than 0 for y greater than x square. अगर y x square से बड़ा हो गया तो ये क्या होगा, this will be your negative. या y हो गया x square हो गया y by 2 से बड़ा, so this is your positive. Negative into positive is your negative, so it is less than 0, and which is greater than 0 obviously. So thus fxy minus f0, 0 does not keep the same sign near the origin. यानी जो origin 0, 0 है उसके पास इसका same sign नहीं है. Means sometimes it is greater than 0 and sometimes it is less than 0. So f, the function f, has neither a maximum nor a minimum value at the origin. यानी कि इस केस में जबकि कभी वो पॉजिटिव हो जा रहा है, कभी नेगेटिव हो जा रहा है, सेम साइन को रिटेन नहीं रखता है, तो क्या हो जाएगा, neither maximum nor minimum. There is another example. Show that fxy is equal to y square plus x square y plus x to the power 4 has a minimum at 0, 0. The point is given. तो हमको पहले fx निकालना होगा. fx means differentiate this partially with respect to x. So it will be 2xy plus 3x square, और 0, 0 पे 0.00 पे fx हो जाएगा 0. सिमिलरली एफ वाई निकालेंगे, मतलब डिफरेंशिएटेड पार्शियली विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वाई, तो हो जाएगा 2y प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड एट 0 0 इट विल बी 0, सो इट इज 0. Similarly fxx will be your 0 and fxy is 0, but fyy is your 2. From this fy is 2y, so fyy will be 2. Thus at the origin fxx fyy minus fxy whole square is equal to 0 into 2 minus 0 square, it means it is 0. So it is a doubtful case and we need further investigation. जब ये 0 हो जाएगा तभी फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना है. बट वी कैन राइट एफ एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू, ये एफ एक्स वाई को हम लिख सकते हैं y प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 3/4 एक्स टू द पावर 4. इसको ओपन करोगे तो यही मिलेगा द सेम फंक्शन, क्योंकि ये वाई स्क्वायर हो गया प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 4 और इससे मिलके हो गया एक्स टू पावर 4 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर वाई, दिस इज योर एक्स स्क्वायर वाई. सो एफ एक्स वाई माइनस एफ 0 0 विल बी y प्लस 1/2 एक्स स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर प्लस 3/4 एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 0. देखो ये स्क्वायर है, ये भी पॉजिटिव, दिस इज ऑल्सो पॉजिटिव, so this is greater than 0 for all values of x, y. Hence f has a minimum value at the origin. इसलिए डेफिनेटली उसका वैल्यू क्या हो गया, f का मिनिमम हो जाएगा एट द ओरिजिन. तो इसके बाद तुम लोग के पास देयर आर सम एक्सरसाइज, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तुम लोग के लिए, तो ये सबका प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए है, ये सब प्रैक्टिस करिए. कोई आपको दिक्कत आ रही है, डिफिकल्टी, तो आप मुझे पूछिए क्वेश्चन, उसके बाद फिर हम लोग